Hello auto lovers, welcome back to our Moto Show channel. We hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna show you 2024 Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail exterior and interior details and review, and explain the details of the car. We hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Rolls-Royce unveils La Rose Noire Droptail with Audemars Piguet timepiece. Inspired by the black Baccarat Rose, it's the first of 4 unique Rolls-Royce Droptail commissions. Rolls-Royce revealed the La Rose Noire Droptail, a dark and dramatic motor car it calls a love story. Presented to its owners at a private event during Monterey Car Week, it was inspired by the black Baccarat Rose. Rolls-Royce says it symbolizes the distillation of experiences cherished by its owners, who exemplify connoisseurship of the highest order. The color of the Rolls-Royce Droptail is called True Love. Lustrous and complex, the dark pomegranate color has a pearlescent shimmer that assumes different hues depending on the light. 5 layers of clear lacquer follow the base coat, each blended with a slightly different tone of red. Rolls-Royce maintains it took a team of specialists to develop a new paint process for the color, an effort that took over 150 iterations to perfect. A dark finish called Hydroshade, due to its liquid quality, covers the bright work. The pieces are not painted. Instead, a chrome electrolyte is introduced during the plating process to provide a dark but reflective finish. This finish is continued throughout the interior and is polished by hand to a high gloss. The Droptail includes a removable hardtop designed to give it 2 distinctive looks. The long, low-slung roof gives the car a dramatic coupe appearance and features an electrochromic glass section, which transitions from opaque to near translucent at the touch of a button. When removed, the Droptail becomes a lithe, open-top roadster. Inside, the interior cocoons its occupants with exquisite craftsmanship, most notably the stunning parquetry. Formed using 1,603 black wood veneer triangles, it represents an abstract expression of falling rose petals. The highly complex pattern is intentionally asymmetric as the clients wanted it to represent a natural, organic scattering of petals. The centerpiece is an integrated one-off luxury timepiece, a 43mm Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Concept Split Seconds Chronograph GMT large date. It matches the colors of La Rose Noire, incorporating red counters and a red inner bezel, providing a bright contrast to the black dial highlighted with rhodium-toned bevels. The clients requested that it should be removable and wearable. When removed, the aperture in the fascia is covered with an elegant titanium blank head watch highlighting a white gold coin displaying a rose engraving. La Rose Noire continues Rolls-Royce's bespoke line of hand-built cars and is one of 4 unique Droptail commissions the coach builder plans to build. Meanwhile, the company is also transitioning to building electric vehicles like the new Spectre. As a house of luxury, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars constantly seeks to create personal and deeply meaningful luxury products that reflect the marque's clients' ambitions and personal codes of luxury. Rolls-Royce's unparalleled bespoke capabilities enable clients to bring these desires to life through the commission of beautiful, handcrafted and truly individual Rolls-Royce motor cars. A small group of exceptional individuals wish to elevate this remarkable, deeply personal experience even further and move beyond the canvas of existing Rolls-Royce products. These highly ambitious and discerning clients seek the opportunity to work directly with the marque's designers, engineers and craftspeople to create completely unique Rolls-Royce motor cars beyond the brand's product portfolio, participating in every stage of their development. This is Rolls-Royce Coach Build. Creatives within Rolls-Royce Coach Build approach the motor car as an elevated expression of applied art, the discipline of creating something beautiful, intellectually stimulating and emotionally resonant, that has a clear and single purpose. The renaissance of contemporary coach building began in 2017 with Sweptail, a bold 2-door coupe created in response to a client's wish to reprise the art of coach building in partnership with Rolls-Royce. With its sharply tapering outline and full-length glass roof, it can be characterized as the extrovert. It was followed by the unveiling of Boattail in 2021, a highly social open top that amplified its clients' love of hosting, a motor car that unashamedly represents the hedonist. Now, Rolls-Royce is proud to present Droptail, the 3rd chapter in a remarkable story that reflects the absolute pinnacle of the Rolls-Royce brand, and by extension the super luxury sector. For Droptail, the focus was placed on creating an intimate and cosseting interior, which would also serve as an unprecedented canvas for highly bespoke woodcraft. Droptail captures the charm and embrace of two-seat motoring. It truly is the romantic